Today, we will talk about the Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act. The Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act is a piece of legislation passed by the U.S. Congress in response to the financial crisis of 2007 to 2008. It aims to make the U.S. financial system safer for consumers and taxpayers. The Dodd-Frank Act was passed in 2010 during the Obama administration. It established new government agencies to oversee the financial system and was a response to the 2007 to 2008 financial crisis caused by risky lending practices and a housing sector bubble. In 2018, the U.S. Congress passed the Economic Growth, Regulatory Relief, and Consumer Protection Act. This law rolled back significant portions of the Dodd-Frank Act and was signed into law by then-President Trump. After Joseph Biden became president, his administration attempted to re-establish rules against predatory lending and address subprime auto loan practices. Proponents of Dodd-Frank believed it would prevent another financial crisis and protect consumers. However, critics argue that its regulatory requirements unduly burden smaller financial institutions and make for a more illiquid market. The purpose of the Dodd-Frank Act is to prevent risky financial industry practices and protect consumers from abusive lending practices. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. The Dodd-Frank Act targeted financial system sectors believed to have caused the 2007 to 2008 financial crisis. 2. Leading up to 2007, lax regulations led to extremely risky lending practices, ultimately causing a housing sector bubble that burst and drove the global crisis, leading to public bailouts of financial institutions and a recession. 3. The institutions considered responsible for the crisis included banks, insurance companies, investment banking firms, mortgage lenders, and credit rating agencies. 4. Critics argue that regulatory burdens imposed by the Dodd-Frank Act could make U.S. firms less competitive than their foreign counterparts. 5. In 2018, Congress passed a new law that rolled back some of Dodd-Frank's restrictions. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.